No, she likes it. No. Do it. Do it. No. What are you doing to me?
Hockey. Come on, Jack. No, put it in your mouth. Doesn't go in your mouth, baby. Okay.
Look at the shoe.
Okay. Look at it, but it doesn't go in your mouth. Oh, Lucky's real brave over there. Some of your shoes. Ooh, brave kitty.
My shoes don't smell that bad.
Oh, I beg to differ.
No, the other night when I was staying here, that cat was licking the blanket.
Ew.